You want to be a winner? A new season of Real Garage is hitting August 23rd. And we'd like to start it off with another Drive to Subscribe giveaway. But there's a twist. First prize is the Multimatic 220 AC/DC, just like the one that I use on my day-to-day projects. Second prize is a PPE safety package, highlighted by the new Digital Infinity Honor Series welding helmet that pays tribute to our armed forces. A portion of every sale goes to support the Semper Fi and America's Fund. To enter this amazing prize pack, all you need to do is subscribe or be subscribed. And here's the cool part. I want to see one of your projects that I can reproduce in a future episode. I got some feedback that some of y'all wanted some more projects. So help me out here. I really like shop and organizational projects, but any useful project works for me. Just click the link in the description, fill out the form, upload a picture and some instructions of the project. Remember, I want to see a project that you did so you can walk me through it, not some copy of a web search. You've got until August 23rd, 2023 to enter.